Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to the honorable judges, teachers and my dear friend. I am Nur Fatah Zakirah binti Abdul Fattah from SK Sungai Kecil. I am standing here today to tell you my book review. The book I choose to review entitled Jungle. The author of this book is Clash. This book was published in 2010. It is non-fiction book. This book consists of 32 pages full of excitement and good information. I'm so into this book because it can teach and guide me how to survive in the forest. As we know, not many people will survive in the forest if we don't have a survival skills. The other was trying to make you feel the real situation if you were flying over a jungle and your plane crashed. So the other guide you the basics of survival skills such as how to find water, how to make a shelter, how to find food, and how to avoid dangerous animals. I always remember the other reminders. He said when you are in a survival situation, it is good to improvise. However, it is better to be prepared. After reading this book, I gained more knowledge on how to build a shelter to stay alive, because a shelter will protect you from the rain, insect, wild animals, and the risk of a sudden flood because it could wash away your shelter. The author also teach how to make a fire for cooking, warmth, and to protect you from the dangerous wild animals. Also how to find food, because you need food for energy. Food also helps you to raise your moral. This means it makes you feel able to cope with your situations. From the scale of 1 to 5 stars, I am giving this book 5 out of 5 stars because it's very informative and easy for me as primary school children to understand and to apply the survival skill it taught. That's all from me. Thank you.